In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google's site link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your site's public web address and how to share it confidently. First, open your Google site. If you're already in Google Sites, choose the site you want to share from your list of sites. This is the draft version where you make edits. Remember, drafts are private to you and your collaborators. Visitors can only see the published version, so the link we're after is the published link. Next, check whether your site is published. Look in the top right corner for the Publish button. If you see Publish, that means it hasn't been published yet. Click it. You'll see a confirmation panel that shows the web address where your site will be available. This is the URL people can visit. If you've published before, you might see options like View Published Site or an indicator that the site is already live. That's fine. Either way, you can still grab the live link. Once the confirmation appears, copy the URL shown there. This is your official shareable link. If you prefer, you can also click View Published Site and then copy the address from your browser's address bar. A quick tip: double check that the link starts with HTTPS and includes the exact path shown in the confirmation. It ensures you're grabbing the public version, not the draft editor link. Now you're ready to share. Paste the link into an email when you want colleagues, clients, or classmates to view your site. Add a short note letting them know what they'll find on the page and whether you'd like any feedback. You can also post the link on social media to reach a broader audience. Consider adding a clear call to action so people know why they should click. If you're embedding the site elsewhere, like in a learning platform, a project hub, or a personal website, use the platform's embed or link option and paste the same URL when prompted. Keeping one reliable link avoids confusion and makes it simple to update your site later without changing what you've shared. That's it. Open your site, publish if needed, copy the URL from the confirmation, and share it wherever your audience is. Save that link somewhere handy so you can reuse it. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.